Right, let's see. It's 7:56, so we're just about ready to get underway here. Get away maybe a minute or two early tonight. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 teams available. We have the Cardinals, the Bills, the Browns, the Lions, the Texans, and the Saints and the Seahawks. So we have a few teams available. If anybody's looking for a team, we have a team available. This is our owner's list for this evening. This will be our last break of Prizm draft for a while. See a few familiar names from last night. All right, so we're going to get going. All right, guys, so 2020 Panini Prizm. We're going to get 12 packs a box, 15 cards a pack. We're going to have a bonus 3-card pack of red, white, and blue Prizms. We're looking for the orange number to 75. All right, so let's get it going. So it's going to go just like it has all week. Open the box, take out the packs. We will open the first 6. We'll do the bonus of those first 6 at the end of those 6, and then we'll do the second 6. All right, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, and 6. 6 and 6 makes 12. We're going to open up all these packs and get through it. I know we're doing a football break. You guys see the craziness, though, that happened with all the baseball, the free agents, or not the free agents, the trades today? Jeez Louise. Probably one of the craziest trades I can remember, that's for sure. Tons of trades today. It seemed like all Cubs in the news. Cubs everywhere. Schwarber's playing first for Boston. Rizzo's in New York. I mean, Baez is in New York. Jeez. Bryant. I mean, I don't feel like they got much back for him. So, I guess we'll see how those guys play out. All right. Here we go. Let's get through here. See what we got. All right, we got Jerry Jeudy, Baker Mayfield, Kenyon Drake, Alvin Kamara, David Johnson, Chris Carson, that's a silver, Trey Lance, green, San Fran, Michael R. in the house with a Trey Lance, Kwity Paye, Justin Fields, All-American, Dylan Moses, Tyson Campbell, Terrace Marshall Jr., that is a Crusade, Chase Claypool, Jared Goff. Oh, this card's a little sticky here. Jared Goff, Deebo Samuel, Miles Sanders, George Kittle. Here we go. Green, Amari Cooper, followed by an Amir Smith-Marset, Micah Parsons, Zach Wilson, followed by Trey Lance. These guys seem to come together always. Trey Lance and Zach Wilson, both base. Rashad Bateman, Patrick Jones, Russell Wilson, Julian Edelman, Daniel Jones, Derrick Henry, Tyler Boyd, Joe Mixon green for the Bengals. Patrick Jones, that's a silver. Silver rookie there. We'll sleeve him up. Chris Evans, Mac Jones, All-American. Aziz O. Chuba Hubbard. Trevor's in the house. Trevor Crusade. Josh Jacobs, Kyler Murray, Juju Smith-Schuster, Jacob Eason. Oh, I exposed an auto, but here we go anyway. Let's just do it. Kawan Baker, green Prizm. Not sure who Kawan Baker plays for, but we'll look him up on the checklist and we'll get that out to the right team. Jacob Eason, Ryan Tannehill, Kenneth Gainwell. Those are greens. Rashad Bateman, Surratt, Javon Holland, Jamie Newman, Trey Sermon, Jordan Love, Nick Chubb, C.D. Lamb, Thomas Brady, Mike Evans, Jalen Hurts green, Chris Evans, that's a silver rookie, Nico Collins, Zach Wilson, All-Americans, Kyle Trask, Elijah Moore, Mac Jones Crusade, Kirk Cousins, Antonio Gibson, Amari Cooper, Joe Mixon, Ryan Tannehill. Here's our orange. Baker, the Brownies. Baker, that one's numbered to 63 of 75 out to the Browns. Trey Sermon, green. Kadarius Toney, Amon Ross St. Brown, Nick Bolton, Pat Freiermuth, and Michael Carter. Let me get these sleeved up here. Good amount of top loader cards this first six. That's good news. Good box so far. Couple Zach Wilsons, couple Trey Lance, a Trevor. It's all right. One Josh Fields, even Mac Jones. Pretty solid start. Let's see what we can find in the second half. Green Trey Lance, that one's pretty nice. All right. We'll look at those at the end with the recap. Bust out these red, white, and blues here. That's a nice one on the back. There's another nice one there. Hey JP, if you want to start, you can bring the tape and start putting the tape on there. Alright, so one more of these bonus. Alright, here we go. I saw a couple good ones here. Let's see what we got. We got Ryan Tannehill, Sean Wade, Basham, Amari Cooper, Joe Mixon, Gregory Rossio, Thomas Brady. We'll sleeve him up. Rashad Bateman, Sage Surratt, Nick Chubb, C.D. Lamb, Trevor Lawrence Crusade. Trevor Lawrence Crusade, red, white, and blue. Nice. Jordan Love, Aziz Chuba Hubbard, Adam Thielen, Jonathan Taylor, And Mac Jones. So 2 solid quarterbacks. Parallels, but still pretty solid guys. Make sure that I'm sorting those. Yeah, just the tape, okay. All right, let's get to the next 6. No one's excited. No one's happy. They got some good hits. We had some good hits in the first 6. Maybe my chat's just not on, working. All right, guys, here we go. Last half. Chris Carson, Justin Jefferson, Derek Carr, Henry Ruggs, Cam Newton. Here's an Allen Robinson. That's a silver. We'll sleeve that up because it's a silver. Devonta Smith Green. Trayvon Morig. Najee Harris. We were looking for him last night. Hamilcar Rashid Jr. Elijah Mitchell. Rondell Moore. Todd Gurley. Matty Ice. Terry McLaurin. Scary Terry. Gardner Minshew. Brandon Ayuk. Mike Evans. Jalen Waddle. That's a green. That's nice. Haven't hit any 49ers yet. Yes, you hit a couple. Trey Lance. Michael, right? Yeah, you hit a couple Trey Lance. I'll show you in the recap here. Rashad. But here's a base Trevor. Base Trevor, and then a Justin Fields right behind him. So these guys kind of run in the same pack. So the Bears and the Jags getting a nice one there. Kyle Pitts, Crusade. Devonta Smith, base. Lamar Jackson. Dalvin Cook. Tyler Lockett. Aaron Jones. Julio Jones. Kirk Cousins, green. Rashad Bateman. That Rashad Bateman is a silver. Rashad Bateman base. Pat Fryermuth. Asante Samuel Jr. Tylan Wallace. Jamar Chase. Carson Wentz. Larry Fitz. Jimmy G. Brandon Cooks. Dak Prescott. Antonio Gibson. Kylan Hill. I like this guy for the Packers. Like that guy. That's a okay. Basham, Jamie Newman, Joseph O, Micah Parsons, Tyler Vaughns, James Conner, Devontae Adams, Patty Mahomes, Chris Godwin, Ben Roethlisberger, Justin Jefferson. That's a silver. Followed by a green Trevor Lawrence. Look at that one, man. Little edgy on the bottom there. A little bit on the bottom there. Trevor Lawrence green. Nice. Greg Rossio. Sean Wade. That's a silver. I think. No, maybe not. Just looked like it. Carlos Basham. Jason O. Greg Rossio. Joshua Kelly, Stephon Diggs, Darrell Henderson, Adam Thielen, Jonathan Taylor, DeAndre Swift, Kyle Pitts green. Nice one for the Falcons. Rondell Moore, Mac Jones base. Javion Hawkins, Devonta Smith, that's a Crusade, and Rondell Moore. Let me sleeve these guys up first, and then we'll do the bonus packs. Nice break for the Jags. They did good. Everybody is pretty well rounded here tonight. Show a little bit of love for everybody. See if we find in these last red, white, and blues. We've got a Trevor and a Fields, right? I think. Yeah. All right, one more. And we get into the red, white, and blue bonus packs. All right. Man, that guy is all over this product. So we'll be back next week, guys. We have 2 box breaks on Tuesday and Wednesday of Mosaic 2020 Mosaic football. Those are cellos. All right, let's see what we got. This is it. This is all. Good luck. Antonio Gibson, Jamie Newman, Trey Sermon, Mike Evans, Kirk Cousins, Javon Holland, Darrell Henderson, Patrick Jones, Chris Evans, Drew Brees, Michael Pittman Jr., Patrick Surtain, Will Fuller, Caleb Farley, Seth Williams, Cam Akers, Myles Garrett, and Greg Rossio. All right, let's look at our recap. You'll see he already started. We are actually shipping cards as we break them. You'll see we already got tape on some of them. All right, Allen Robinson silver, Devonta Smith green, Jalen Waddle green, Justin Fields base, Trevor Lawrence base, Rashad Bateman, that is a silver Crusade, Kylan Hill green, silver Justin Jefferson, Trevor Lawrence green, Kyle Pitts green, Mac Jones base, Thomas Brady, Trevor Lawrence, that's a red, white, and blue, Mac Jones, red, white, and blue, Mac Jones, that's a base Crusade, Zach Wilson, Crusade, Jalen Hurts, Chris Evans, silver, Kawan Baker, Trevor Lawrence, base Crusade, Mac Jones, All-American, Patrick Surtain, Zach Wilson, Trey Lance, Justin Fields, and Trey Lance green. There were your 2 Trey Lance, Mike. All right, guys. Like I said, these cards are in the process. That's why you see some of them are already taped. Just got home. Mosaic next. No, Mosaic is not until Tuesday. It goes Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning. This is our only break tonight. This was Prizm tonight. Mosaic goes Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning. This is it for today. Tomorrow we just have a small hanger break of Diamond Kings. Monday night we have or a half case of Leaf Valiant. And Tuesday we have 2 Mosaic cellos, and Wednesday 2 Mosaic cellos. And Friday night is going to be a 3-box or a third case break of Gold Standard. All right, guys. As always, I truly appreciate each and every one of you joining in, participating in our breaks. Hope to see more of you more often. Until next time, everybody, thank you very much, and stay safe. Have a great night. You're very welcome, Michael.